It's a question whispered with regret by so many people, as if turning 40 means you've missed your chance to build wealth. Society tells us that if you didn't start in your 20s, you're late to the party. But let me tell you something. That belief is completely false. You are not behind, you're just starting from a stronger foundation. Because what you have at 40 that your 20-year-old self didn't is experience, patience, and clarity. You've lived through wins and losses. You've learned what works, what doesn't, and who you are. And that wisdom, if used right, becomes your greatest financial weapon. So watch this video till the end, because by the time we finish, you'll see exactly how to turn your 40s into the best financial decade of your life. Instead of focusing on past decisions, let's concentrate on the actionable steps you can take moving forward. Starting after 40 presents a unique opportunity to approach tasks with greater efficiency and effectiveness. The focus at this stage should be on cultivating enduring wealth that provides both security and tranquility, rather than pursuing every fleeting opportunity. Address the existing issues before investing additional resources. Consider the scenario of transporting a bucket that has small perforations. You allocate funds to it with each paycheck, yet it seems depleted by the month's conclusion. That is the outcome when we generate income without making a deliberate effort to save. Wealth accumulation is hindered when funds are consistently being lost or mismanaged. The primary principle of investing after the age of 40 is straightforward. Prioritize your own financial well-being. Prioritize setting aside a small portion for yourself before addressing rent, bills, or dining expenses. Even if it's only 5 or 10%, consider it an essential investment in your future. Waiting until the end of the month to save often results in little to no funds remaining for that purpose. At this stage, the focus should be on cultivating the practice of saving rather than the amount you set aside. Discipline serves as the essential element that prevents the bucket from depleting. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more financial tips. The importance of investing in personal growth. Your most valuable asset is yourself. At 40, your earning potential is influenced not only by experience but also by the skills you have developed. Consider your career or business as a saw. When the blade becomes dull, the task of cutting becomes increasingly challenging, regardless of your strength. Enhancing your capabilities involves acquiring new skills, enrolling in courses, reading relevant literature, or gaining digital knowledge that aligns with the current economic landscape. A gentleman in his mid-40s found himself in a situation where his salary had remained unchanged for several years. After dedicating 6 months to online project management courses, he experienced a remarkable 40% increase in his income by the age of 46. What is the reason for this? He made significant improvements to his skills and knowledge. Keep in mind that financial success is driven by the value you provide, rather than the amount of effort you put in. As you enhance your value, you will naturally draw in greater financial opportunities. Leverage your age as a strategic asset. At the age of 20, you possess ample time ahead of you, yet may lack the experience that comes with wisdom. At 40, you possess valuable insights, yet you may feel as though time has slipped away. However, the reality is that sound judgment can prevent you from making expensive errors over the years. It's important to recognize how quickly one can experience financial loss from opportunities that seem overly promising. You have observed effective strategies in real-world scenarios, beyond just social media trends. Adopt that viewpoint to enhance the security and intelligence of your investment choices. There's a saying, discipline surpasses youth. While you might not have the luxury of 40 years for compounding, you certainly have the opportunity to avoid the 2 decades of missteps that many individuals experience. That presents a significant opportunity. Take advantage of it. Strategies for escaping debt. Debt can feel like a burden that hinders your progress as you strive to achieve your financial goals. Each payment diminishes your potential for future financial growth. Not all debt is detrimental. A mortgage or business loan can facilitate growth. However, consumer debt, high-interest credit cards, or lifestyle loans can be quite harmful. Before you consider making significant investments, it's essential to identify what may be depleting your income. Consider it an opportunity to take control of your earnings. I once had a conversation with a woman who dedicated 15 years to making only minimum payments and was puzzled as to why her savings remained stagnant. By prioritizing her debt repayment initially, she experienced a sense of freedom and lightness within a year, which subsequently allowed her investments to begin flourishing. Prioritize freedom, then focus on growth. The essential strategy: diversification. As individuals enter their 40s, there is frequently a sense of urgency to accelerate their progress, which can lead to taking significant risks. Individuals often invest all their savings into a single stock or a trending concept, seeking a quick path to financial success. However, taking shortcuts often leads to unfavorable outcomes. Savvy investors diversify their portfolios to mitigate risk. While it may lack excitement, this approach has proven to be the most reliable over the long term. Consider focusing on index funds, retirement accounts, and perhaps a couple of strategic real estate investments. That's the approach to take. The objective is not to achieve immediate success. Rather, it is to focus on consistent and sustainable growth over time. Diversifying crops is essential for a farmer to mitigate the risk of starvation. A prudent individual diversifies their investments and rests easy, regardless of market fluctuations. Diversification is key. It may not be extravagant, but it is effective. The power of compounding remains effective, even in the current environment. Many individuals express the sentiment, "I've missed the opportunity for compounding to benefit me." This is not accurate. Compounding is indifferent to your age. It values your commitment and consistency. Beginning your investment journey at 40 can yield significant benefits over a 20-year period of consistent contributions. By contributing $300 each month for a duration of 25 years, assuming an average return of 7%, your investment could grow to approximately $200,000. That's not a miracle, it's a combination of calculations and consistent effort. Focus on the opportunities that remain before you. The time at your disposal, your earning potential, and the knowledge you've gained. While it's true that the opportunity to plant that tree 20 years ago has passed, you still have the chance to take action today. By doing so, you can ensure that it provides you with the benefits you seek in the future. Taking action is more valuable than striving for perfection. Numerous individuals find themselves trapped in a state of continuous research. They consume every blog, view every finance video, yet remain hesitant to take that initial step. Wealth is a result of decisive action rather than indecision. It's important not to postpone your investment decisions in search of the ideal moment. Begin with modest steps, acquire knowledge progressively, and make necessary adjustments throughout the journey. Monitor your expenditures, set up automatic savings, and select a straightforward investment option to start with, even if it's merely an index fund. It's important to recognize that taking even a small, imperfect step is far more beneficial than getting caught up in endless planning that ultimately leads to inaction. Watch the video on the left side to know the dark side of compounding that keeps many people broke and poor. Also, subscribe to our channel to help us complete our goal of 11,000 subscribers.